Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we are going to make a Kandi harness, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I had one up and then I removed it. But I decided to go ahead and re-upload it, but I'm going to have a little spin on this one. So we're going to start with the harness, and then I think I want to create a whole series with like a full harness inspired by my 2016 full body harness. It was the first harness that I made too. I mean, it's going to be different. I'm going to put in a picture so you can see kind of what I have in mind, but we're going to do it different. It's just going to be inspired by a full body harness. So this will be the first video, and then I'm going to try to upload every week because we're going to keep adding on to it. And I think it'll be less overwhelming if we turn it into a series instead of all at once. Plus that would make for like a really long video. But I'm going to insert a picture right now of what it's going to look like so you can follow along if you want to make it. Okay, so now you get like a little idea of what I'm talking about. So, oh yeah, before we get started, look, I got excited. You're going to need some pony beads. I have clear and I have neon rainbow. You're also going to need some key rings, scissors, and I have about 6 or 7 inches of string, but this is going to vary depending on what size you're going to do. So I'm going to do a small. A medium would fit on this length too because it stretches, but you're going to take your string and fold it in half, and then you're going to add 1 clear bead and let it fall to the center. And then you're going to put 3 pink beads on each side of the string. And you just let those fall. So it's going to look like this. A clear, 3 pink on each side. Then you're going to take a clear, and it's going to go through both. I might put this down a little bit. Okay, our next color is orange. You're going to put 3 orange on each side of the string. You're going to take a clear and both strings go through. Going to add yellow. It's a little string of plastic. You guys ever find that in your beads? We're going to take a clear. Both strings are going to go through. Green on both sides. Take a clear. Go through both. Blue. Running out of string here. pull that. I'm going to take a clear, go through, and our last color, if you're making a small, will be purple. If you're not going to make a small, well, I'll tell you here in a minute, but to end it, you add your last color and then one clear and your ends together, and you make a knot. That's how you end it for a small. Now, if you need a larger size, you're going to have to add another color. So another set of, you could start over and do another pink or a different shade, whatever you want. So each color is a set. If you need a larger size, you just add one or two more, depending on what size you need. And also, you could measure this up to yourself to figure out how wide you need the triangle. Then oh, it's a loud train. You're going to need 6 of these. So if you want to go ahead and stop the video and then come back when you have all 6, I'll show you how to connect them. Okay, I'm going to have to make some room over here. So I have, yeah, and if you're going to do the full body harness, you're going to need a lot of key rings. I'm going to do opposite of the rainbow. Oh, and also, if you wanted to do a different color, like you don't have to do rainbow, you could do whatever pattern you want. So we need to connect all of these. I'm going to open up my key ring, put my pink one on, and my purple. Okay, we're going to open up this key ring. I'm going to add my pink and then my purple. Okay, so you have this side. We'll set that aside. And we're going to put this one together. Okay. Open up this key ring. Oh, wait a minute. Did I do that backwards? Hold on. Oh. There we go. I want my rainbow to be upright right here. But really it doesn't matter. So you want both sides to look the same. And now for the center one, I'm going to open up your key ring and we're going to go through the pink, purple, purple, pink. Okay, once you have it all connected, should look like that. Now, if you just want to leave it as is, like you just want the harness, you don't want to make the full outfit, you would just tie some ribbon on the outside, all the outside rings. This would be your neck part, and then this would be the back part. But if you're going to continue with the series with me, you can leave it as it is because we're going to keep adding to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.